at Kickstart Garage. Busy day, lots of work going on. Starting to work on the 450. Swapping out the block and the piston and the head. A lot of work cut out. And the timing chain and the rest of the goods. And that's Mohan. Mohan is helping me out. He's the lead, the star mechanic of Kickstart Garage. Yep, I'm gonna get this done by evening today. Internal LHK removed, oil drained, pulled the bore out. That's the piston. We're gonna look for the piston ring alignment now on top. The piston's being seated now. The ring position seems to be the conventional setup, the tri-star position, except the oil ring. Oil ring eppadi irukku? H shape la irukla. The oil ring is in their language, the mechanic language, it's in the H shape. But the other three rings are conventional. They are tri-pointed star. Mohan fixed the circlip with just a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and now the thing to do is to get the circlips open end to face downwards. Face downwards. Adu eppadi panna pora? Just move it round, wiggle it round, and get the open end to face downwards. That's Basil. Hello. நான் வரல இங்கே எடுத்து திருப்பி தான் போடணும். Piston circlip sit. Yep, so got it in just a little bit. Then you go slowly. அது ரொம்ப தூரம் போவேன், அவ்வளோ தூரம் வேண்டாம், இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அது கிட்டவா. இது ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இது இப்படி பண்ண போதும். நான் இடைஞ்சலா இருக்கேன்னா சொல்லு. அவ்வளோதான், கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக go inch by inch. Will be facing downwards, and that's what we've done. We've made the open of the circlip face downwards. Okay, that's exactly where it is. Okay, இப்போ தெரியுது. Okay,
oil rings ஓட ஓபனர் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட் கட் இங்க இருக்கு.
Okay, oil ring faces the back side, inlet side, straight.
அப்புறம் ஆயில் ரிங்ஸோட இன்ன அது அப் டவுன் ரிங்ஸ் வந்து ஒன்று வந்து 360 ஹெட், இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு கட்டிங் ஷேப் ஒன்று கார்னர்.
ஓகே,
ஓகேங்களா? அந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்க உங்கள் சைடு இருக்கா பாருங்கள், ஓப்பன் மேலே உள்ள ரிங்ஸ், இந்த ரிங்ஸ் இருக்குதுங்க.
ஆமாம்,
அதோட கட்டிங் ஷேப் எங்கே இருக்குது பாருங்கள், அந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்கா பாருங்கள் உங்கள் சைடு. ஓகே, அதுவும் இங்கே தான் இருக்குது.
அது அங்கே இருக்குது, இங்கே இல்லை.
ஆமாம், அதை உங்கள் பக்கம் மூவ் பண்ணுறேன். மூவ் ஆகுதுங்களா? வருது பாருங்கள்.
ஓகே,
வந்துடுச்சுங்களா?
ஓகே,
அது நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் சைடு.
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம். மாட்டவே மாட்டல. அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, that's the oil ring.
ஆயில் ரிங்ஸோட இன் அவுட் ரிங்ஸ் ஒன்று இங்கே, ஒன்று இந்த ஸ்டெப்.
Okay, so the oil ring in is here and the next step is here. The next cutout is here.
பிஸ்டனோட செகண்ட் ரிங்ஸ்.
Okay, piston second ring.
Exhaust side.
Okay, that faces the exhaust. Okay, at 120 degrees.
Stop rings.
Okay. Star shape. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க?
மேலே டாப் ரிங்ஸ் அந்த பக்கம்.
Top ring comes up here. Second ring comes up here. And oil ring, one side is here, one side is there. அவ்வளோதானே? இன்னொரு அது காட்டு ஒரு நிமிஷம். So the piston rings are, the top ring faces this, the top ring open faces here, the second ring's open is here, and the oil ring has one groove here, one groove there, and one groove here.
Two methods now. One is star type one.
Star type.
One is Z type.
Z type. Okay. So the rings face like this, or the ring face like this. Star type. Okay. Okay. 120 degrees. Star type. That's the brand new timing chain. We're gonna compare that to the old one, and just see if the old one has stretched a bit. The top match okay. Yep, the old one has stretched by 2.5 millimeters.
The new.
Then this is new, that's old. The old and new, the old one has stretched by easily 5 millimeters. Sorry, that's 5 millimeters of stretch. Maybe 4 at best. Okay. New timing chain going in. Kneeboard one. New head gasket going in. Video edukano illaya. New head gasket going in. Again metal. Both the block gasket and the head gasket in metal. That is the oil flow to the top, to the head. Timing chain. That is the oil flow for the tensioner. And that's how oil comes to the tensioner for the hydraulic tensioner to develop pressure. And on the exiting in Terima, that's the exit, sorry. This is the oil that comes out of the tensioner. Timing eh? Timing is a mark illala. Okay, red. Okay. So Mohan has been kind enough to mark the timing. But ipo nama timing dappa okay. Okay, so the piston is at TDC. We have locked the crankshaft, so no problems. Timing chain move pandriya Mohan. Theriyum. The crank teeth is on the rear. That is the crankshaft.
Chain second layer.
Okay. Mala edunga.
Chain kind.
அது பரவாயில்லையா அப்படியே இருக்கா?
ஆடி புஷ் பண்ணணும்.
कर लिया. Okay. करेक्टा? கரெக்ட் தான் நீங்க ரொட்டேட் பண்ணி பாரு. ரொட்டேட் ஆச்சு. லாக் பண்ணி.
கிராங்க் லாக் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
அப்ப கரெக்ட் தானே?
கரெக்ட் தான். இப்போ இது பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
நீ எப்படி மார்க் பண்ண ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
அது மார்க் பண்ண.
நீ ஒரு
பெல் மூவ் ஆயிடுச்சு. இதுக்கும் ஸ்டெப் பை இருக்கு. உள்ள ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ ஒரு நிமிஷம் அப்படியே.
நீ ஒரு பல்லம் மார்க் பண்ணியிருந்தா பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
இப்போ அதை ரொட்டேட் பண்ணு.
GoPro கட்டுப்பட்டு. So the
exhaust வந்து 2.08 போட்டுருக்கேன்.
So we are working on the new head now. The exhaust has 2.08 as a value on both the sides, both the valves. Both the valves, they come as a pair. They come as a set. Inlet, he's installed 1.92. This is just to check the values before we install this on the motorcycle. What you need to do is install the cams first, install the cam locking tool so that you get the right angle of the camshaft, which mimics the angle when the camshaft is in the engine. And then, so that's how the cam lock tool goes into the groove. Put the bolt in there. You don't have to tighten it fully, but once you've done that, you can feel it with the feeler gauge. You can get the values. And after that, you remove everything. You pull the bucket out, change the shims to get the right clearance values. I'm using Maximus assembly lube on the cam journals and also the buckets. This lube is it gets dissolved with your engine oil in about 10-15 kilometers at best, not more. It's a very but the moment the engine oil warms up, it gets dissolved, so there's nothing to be worried about. And it's also super expensive. It's a proper assembly lube. I'm gonna have a much better engine than before with all this. No scoring on the buckets. That's the most important thing. Been grinding a shim for almost 10 minutes now on a 600 grit sandpaper, and I've arrived at 1.98 or 1.985. I need 1.96 to make it the middle value, the middle of the range, just so that I don't have to open up the valve cover again and make shim swaps. Will be done in some time, and then I'll have all my shims ready. For that, we'll fix the head on the motor, on the block. That's the last of the buckets being greased. I mean, there's a ton of grease that Mohan has used, but that's all right. He's just being a little careful not to mess things up. And the journals are also greased. Only one more journal to be greased. It's a very peculiar design. The camshaft runs on these journals instead of bearings like olden days. But yeah, that's to reduce engine components and engine vibration, engine noise and all that. It's a good thing. No complaints there. Anyway, so that's the job done. We're going to go ahead with placing the camshafts. And the shims have been, we've calculated the shims. The values are, those are the values. Figured it out. Got the shims. Those are the shim packets. And got everything done. So the inlet is at 0.178. That is on the fag end of the range. And the exhaust is 0.25. Both the exhaust is in the middle of the range. So yeah, this motor is going to suck in more fuel. Not a problem. Anyways, we'll catch up with you once things are done.
நீங்கள் தான் சொல்லணும். ஸ்டார்ட்னா உள்ளே இடிக்குமே.
இது வேணும். Lock. So that's Kickstart Garage, and today is the motorcycle delivery day. I just got the bike. The bike sounds fantastic. It's almost like new. And it is new, in fact. has a new block, new head, and I've maintained the rest of the things really well. So no complaints there. Everything is fine. We did a fantastic job with installing the engine, and I love this space. I love this space because they allow me to come here and work, and Basil is a very good friend. Now Shankar is also a very good friend, so the bike's fantastic. I'll give you initial sound of it, and you guys are going to be shocked. This is a brand new engine. Quiet. As quiet as it can get. Yeah. So, and it's also tight. It's super tight. So 10,000 kilometers of riding and freeing it up has had no effect now. So I'm back to square one, 500, 600 kilometers of braking in and then swapping out the oil and all that. But that's the engine for you. And that's Kickstart Garage. This is the team. Today both Basil and Shankar are on leave. And that's the team. Hi, solunga unga per solunga.
I am Raghu.
Raghu.
Hi, I am Vimal.
Vimal. Hello.
Hi sir, I am Dinesh.
Hi, Dinesh. And that's the customer.
What's up?
Waiting to. He also rides a Casa Brown Himalayan 450. He's here for some work. And that's the nice garage that I keep talking to you guys about. So, yep. Leaving home. Ciao.